In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Shopify with no money. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce strategy that allows you to sell products online without having to stock or manage inventory. With Shopify, setting up a dropshipping store can be straightforward and, most importantly, can be done with no upfront investment. Let's dive into how you can launch your dropshipping venture on Shopify without spending a dime. First things first, let's navigate to Shopify's website. This platform is where you'll create your online store, so head over there now. Once you're on the site, you'll find a login button. Click on it. If you're new to Shopify, this step is where you'll start the process of setting up your account. Now, when prompted, you'll need to enter your email address. Click on the option that says Continue with Email. This makes things streamlined and easier for you. Shopify will ask for additional sign-in details or to set up a new account if you're a first-time user. Go ahead and fill in the necessary information. Choosing the right account is important, so if you're presented with multiple accounts, choose the one that you intend to use for your dropshipping business. For those using Google to sign in, you might be redirected to select an account associated with Google. Make this selection carefully, as it will be tied to your Shopify store operations. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. This is the control room for your store. To get started with setting your store up for dropshipping, look for the settings option on your dashboard. Clicking this will open up a myriad of settings related to your store, from payment processors to shipping settings. This is where you customize how your store operates. Within settings, navigate to the apps and sales channels section. This area allows you to add functionality to your store via Shopify's App Store, which is where the magic of dropshipping begins. You'll find apps that connect your Shopify store with various dropshipping suppliers. Now, head over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, use the search function and type in dropshipping. This search will return a list of apps designed to streamline and automate the dropshipping process. These apps connect to suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf, meaning you never have to handle the physical product. Browse through the options and select dropshipping to refine your search. You'll see a variety of apps available for integration with your Shopify store. Select a few to compare their features such as product selection, ease of use, customer service quality, and pricing. After evaluating your options, choose a dropshipping app. I'll use AliOrders as an example, a popular choice among many Shopify dropshippers due to its vast product selection and ease of integration. Click on Install for your chosen app. Post-installation, the app will ask for permission to access certain parts of your Shopify store. This step is standard practice for any app integration. Click Install to grant permission. This integration allows the app to automate orders and update inventory levels directly within your Shopify store. Following the installation, you'll usually be prompted to choose a plan. Look for a free plan option or a trial version, as our goal here is to start with no upfront costs. Click on Choose this plan, or a similarly labelled button for the free or trial option. Lastly, you'll be prompted to continue as free, or confirm your plan selection. This final step confirms your subscription to the app without any cost, aligning with our objective to start dropshipping with no money down. And there you have it. You're now on your way to dropshipping on Shopify without spending any money up front. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping lies in choosing the right products, creating engaging product descriptions, and marketing your store effectively. Dropshipping with no initial investment is an excellent opportunity to learn the ropes of e-commerce with minimal risk. So take advantage of the resources available, experiment with different strategies, and who knows, you might just build the next big online store on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your dropshipping journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your online business.